How to share photos with QR code. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share your photos using a QR code. So for that, we need to use Google Drive. So in order to use Google Drive, what you need to do is open up your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for Drive and hit enter. Once you get to your Drive section, you can create a new folder for your photos, or you could just use your existing one. So let me just go ahead and go to my folder. And here I have this random file. So what I'm going to do is create a new folder here, and then I'm going to name it shared photos. All right, so once you create a folder on your Google Drive, just go ahead and open it up. Now you could add your own photos here. So what I'm going to do is go to my pictures, add a few images here, something like this, then hit enter. Now once you add your images, you'll be the first one to share it. If you want others to be able to add their images on this file, then you can right click on the folder name, go to share, and go to share again. Now here you're going to have to edit the access. So from restricted, you're going to change it to anyone with the link. And you want them to be viewer or editor, depending on your choice. So if you set this to editor, they will also be able to add and delete photos on this folder. Now just go ahead and copy this link. Once you have this public link, go ahead and open up a new tab and simply search for QR generator. And then click on any one of the link that you see here. I'm just going to go ahead and open the first link right here, QR code generator. Now, once you open this up, go to URL, select URL here, and then all you have to do is just paste your URL right here. So let me just go ahead and paste it. Once you paste the URL, you'll be able to download the JPEG. Click on download, and once you have done that, you're going to have to quickly sign up, which is completely free, or you could just take a screenshot of this picture right here, something like this. Once you've taken the screenshot, you could just share this and people will be able to scan it to access the drive. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.